While the Android tablet market may not be as flourishing as that of smartphones, there are still notable contenders. Samsung has been a prominent player in this space, offering a diverse lineup of devices catering to various user needs. In 2022, the company unveiled its impressive and sizable Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, which aimed to satisfy users seeking laptop-like productivity. Samsung appears to be preparing to launch an upgraded version, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, later this year. Now, according to a recent leak, the device is expected to boast notable improvements in terms of performance and durability. Also, rumor says that this is going to be the most powerful Android tablet that might even be able to beat the iPad.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
Ice Universe, a well-known leaker, has revealed that Samsung's forthcoming high-end tablet will come equipped with a customized chipset and could possibly have a higher base RAM capacity, in addition to having an IP68 water-resistant rating. The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is expected to use the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor found in the recently released Galaxy S23 series as previously rumored. While the highest-end and priciest version of the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra had 16GB of RAM, this source suggests that 16GB of RAM may be the new starting point for the next generation. Samsung may offer additional models with higher RAM capacities, but no specific information has been released thus far. One potentially noteworthy enhancement for the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra could be its acquisition of an IP68 rating, which would provide protection against dust and water, a feature lacking in previous iterations. The iPad Pro from Apple already boasts an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, making it a direct competitor in this regard. And it seems like Samsung's not gonna go easy on Apple. While some specifications of Samsung's upcoming tablet are anticipated to remain unchanged, such as the screen and body size, display resolution and battery, there will be some differences from its predecessor. The device is expected to have a marginally heavier weight compared to the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, with a difference of approximately 11 grams. In terms of the Tab S9 Plus, it seems to be quite powerful based on the leaked information and images shared by OnLeaks and Wolfo Tablet, although it may not be as impressive as the Ultra model. Although the rumors surrounding the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra center on its hardware improvements, any potential updates to its software features have not been disclosed yet. Samsung is expected to launch the tablet during a late summer Unpacked event later this year. Samsung may need to enhance the camera sensor of their upcoming Tab S9 in order to keep up with Apple's trend of offering exceptional camera quality and innovative features on their iPads. To compete with the iPad Pro, it's possible that Samsung will include an improved camera sensor on the Tab S9, which could result in capturing high-quality, sharp, and clear images. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 standard model is equipped with an 8000 mAh battery, whereas the Tab S8 Ultra comes with an 11200 mAh battery. Now, despite the differences, both tablets are capable of lasting a full day on a single charge. However, when engaged in demanding tasks, the battery life of these devices may vary. It's therefore expected that Samsung will strive to provide an even longer battery life in the upcoming Galaxy Tab S9 series, surpassing that of the Tab S8 series. In conclusion, Samsung's forthcoming Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is expected to feature several upgrades, including a customized chipset, potentially higher RAM capacity, and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. While some aspects of the tablet may remain unchanged, Samsung may include an improved camera sensor and strive to provide an even longer battery life than its predecessors. With an expected launch during a late summer Unpacked event, consumers can anticipate more information on the tablet's software features and pricing in the coming months. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. Like and share it with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.